This is the finished product of my recipe. Yes, I don't follow certain recipe actually. Whatever vegetables I have in my fridge, so I chop, dice them, and just put in the rice. And so that's it. The color and the looks are very appealing, and the smell as well. Okay, so I'm going to dice this tofurkey. It's protein that is not from the animal. It's plant-based. So, yep. Okay, so this is how a tofurkey sausage looks like. Okay, I'm going to cook a meatless fried rice. This is butter and then I'm going to put my garlic, okay, so put my garlic in this plant butter, and my ingredients are this diced red onion, diced carrots, diced sausage. It's tofurkey and it's not meat, it's not from animal. And then I'll use this frozen sweet corn. Yep, this is how. And then, yes, 3 cups of rice cooked in the rice cooker. I'm gonna put my carrots next. Carrots, because I want these carrots to be cooked and soft. Okay, so the carrots are soft. It's cooked. Then it's time to put my onion. Yep, that's how much onion I put. And mix it and wait until the onion will get cooked as well. When you see that the onions will turn into different color, you call it translucent. Okay, so the onions are cooked. And I'm about to put this sausage and stir. I'll cook about 3 minutes and then put the next one. 3 minutes has passed. You're welcome, Daddy.
Not yet, but I
I said 3 minutes has passed and it's time to put this frozen corn. Yeah. Shake, shake.
Well, you don't color them, they grow that way. I don't know how to put more.
And mix it and cook until the corn will be thawed. And I'll put the rice. It's time to put some seasonings. Okay, first I put salt. Yeah, sea salt. And then black pepper. And then paprika. And then my homemade basil leaves. Oops, come on. And turmeric. Okay. Then stir them. Time to put the 3 cups of rice. And stir them. This is the finished product of my recipe. Yes. I don't follow certain recipe actually. Whatever vegetables I have in my fridge, so I chop, dice them, and just put in the rice. And so that's it. The color and the looks are very appealing. And the smell as well. It's time to have my first bite of this vegetarian, vegan fried rice. It's delicious.
And so I tried doing, could you read it and see if it sounds like...
So this is a tofu tofurkey. One serving is 1 sausage and the protein is 24 grams. Wow, 24 grams in 1 sausage.